Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will walk you through how to verify identity on Coinbase, a key step for full access to your account in 2025. It's quick, easy, and super important, so let's get started. First, open your Coinbase app or go to coinbase.com. Now log into your account using your email and password. If you're new to Coinbase, go ahead and sign up, then follow the basic step to create your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and from the drop-down menu, choose Settings. Now click on Identity Verification. If you haven't verified yet, you will see a prompt. Go ahead and click Verify Identity. Make sure your ID documents are valid, unexpired, and undamaged. This could be your passport, driver license, or national ID. You may ask to take a selfie to match your ID photo. Important, only upload your documents to Coinbase website or mobile app. Emails are not accepted. Now, to make verification faster, allow Coinbase to check your name, date of birth, and address with credit agencies. Consult a third-party validation of your ID. Some users may need to record a short video, so make sure your camera and microphone are on and follow the on-screen instruction. Once submit, your documentation will be reviewed by Coinbase. This usually takes 1 to 2 business days, and you will receive an email notifications once it's complete. And that's it. Your Coinbase account is now verified and ready to use fully. If you found this guide helpful, please support us by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and dropping a helpful comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.